Y'all recognize this 2020 Chrysler Pacifica. However, it's not your typical Chrysler Pacifica. That's right, guys. This is an EV. And I happen to have a fault code, a trouble code, P0E7C. Okay, guys, this stands for coolant bypass valve B circuit low. Okay, now after my testing done, I came to the conclusion I simply need this valve. Okay, now where is this thing? This thing is hidden right here, guys. So I'm gonna have to do some, oh my goodness, I'm gonna have to move around some things to get to that, gain access to that. Guys, this is a EV, okay, a hybrid. I suggest you power this thing down before you work on it. Yeah, we took some training on this, and they recommend anytime we're doing a work on this thing, to power it down. So I suggest you do the same. Yeah, typical 3.6 Pentastar engine, but it's hybrid edition, meaning it can go gas or electric. Okay, now I got work to do. I think I'm gonna need some coolant, because y'all see all of this? Yes, this has to be properly done.